Hey y'all, let's take a look at this garden organizer storage thing. So this puppy's made of polyethylene, which means it won't rust, it won't corrode, it won't rot, it won't care about the sun if we ever get any sun out here in the Pacific Northwest. Pretty easy to keep clean, and it's pretty well waterproof. Look at that. No big puddles of water inside, and a channel right here to catch all the water from the lid when you open it up. That's pretty darn smart. The water goes right outside through those holes. Speaking of the inside, you got little slots here that you can put shelves in, I guess, if you're that organized. But 36 cubic feet of space in here, I think it is. Pretty darn good. When you shut this thing down, shut that guy, and shut this one, and shove this thing through there, and you can take this little guy right here, shove it down with your foot, and lock that thing pretty well into space. Polyethylene also means if you run into it, bump it, knock it over, it's not going to shatter. It can bend but not break. And then you got a top here. Take that guy, lay it down. Got a little hole here if you want to put a lock through it. So we can get at stuff just by opening the top. And if you had a shelf in here, you could have just a couple little things. Otherwise, straight down is where you go. Pull these handles out. Again, if you're using the toe lock, you can lift that up with your toe or your foot. Pop that sucker open and put all your earthly possessions inside. Setup on this dang thing was really easy. Took me about, I don't know, 20-30 minutes. You do have to install some screws. You can do it by hand with the screwdriver or by hand with the screwdriver gun. Either way, you gotta drive some screws in. Not too hard. Most of the pieces snap together. The instructions were really easy to understand. This was one of the easier installs I've done in a while. So there we have it. Garden organizer storage unit thing. Why are you still staring at me? Just get it. Click the little button. And then you can have your own instead of staring at mine. Why are you still looking at mine? Go get yours. Go get your own. Click the little button, get your own. Look, it's black. It's very thinning. It's a good look. Okay. Bye-bye. Buy it.